Welcome to the VX series unboxing. We'll go over what to expect when opening your new VX series transmitter. This will apply to the VX 150 through VX2. So here's our VX box. I've already got the tape removed, so we'll just go ahead and start digging into what's inside. Open the flaps up, and right away we can see, so I've got a quick start guide with my documentation on a USB drive. That's my books, software, other helpful videos. Set that aside for later in the install. I will definitely need that. Ancillary box. This will contain everything I'll need to get it set up and running. Power cables in here, remote connectors, all that good stuff. Again, going to need that later, so we'll set that safely aside. And we're left with the unit itself. Some protective foam. We'll want to keep that as well if we ever need to pack this back up. Pull the protective plastic sleeve out of the way, and then we're ready to get this out of the box and into the rack.